Keeping your car tires inflated is an easy maintenance chore vital to your safety. Under-inflated tires build up excess heat as you drive, which can result in tire failure. To help maintain tires in top condition, use a tire pressure gauge to check the pressure of your tires at least once a month and before starting any long trip. In this video, we will show you guys the 5 best tire pressure gauges you could buy now. All of their links are available in the description box if you are interested. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 5. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is the best digital gauge. The bright illumination and accurate readings make it better than other gauges in its price range. It features a blue backlit LCD and matte finish grid. The best feature is a bright LED circling the chuck, which makes it easier to find the valve stem. It reads in 0.5 psi increments, has a setting for 0-150 psi, 0-10 bar, 0-10 kg/cm2, or 0-1000 kPa. It uses a single button for all its features, toggling on/off, and a unit of measurement. The device will automatically shut off after 30 to 40 seconds to save power. A non-replaceable battery is included. This gauge read within the rated 0.5 psi of our other meters, and it was easy to see the display. But it sometimes took several tries to get it to take a reading, and it was easy to hit the power button and lose our measurement. The blue light is very bright, but we'd rather have white for the chuck flashlight and red or anything but blue for the gauge to preserve our vision at night. This gauge has over 48,000 reviews and an excellent 89% positive rating. Number 4. JACO Superior Products Tire Pressure Gauge. The JACO Superior Products Tire Pressure Gauge produces a high-quality mechanical dial gauge at about the same price. The Elite Tire Pressure Gauge is calibrated to ANSI B40.1 standard and promises 1.5% accuracy without relying on batteries. It feels rugged in hand and built to last from solid brass shielded by our durable shock-resistant gear-style protective guard. It features our signature hybrid flex leak-proof air hose providing a soft feel with superior strength and flexibility. Its robust design is equipped with a built-in air bleeder valve to reduce pressure in overinflated tires, and the handy 360-degree swivel chuck allows easy access to the tire valve from any angle. It is manufactured with premium heavy-duty components, and a rugged, gear-style guard surrounds the gauge in a flexible 10-inch rubberized no-leak air hose. There is a built-in bleeder valve to reduce pressure in overinflated tires, while the 360-degree chuck makes it easy to access your valve stems. The 2-inch dial reads up to 100 psi and glows in the dark while readings are locked until the pressure reset button is pushed. Number 3. Rhino USA Heavy Duty Tire Pressure Gauge. The Rhino USA Heavy Duty Tire Pressure Gauge features a 16.75-inch braided hose and chuck assembly, 2.0-inch glow-in-the-dark high-contrast dial with 0.3-inch protective rubber bumpers, and solid brass hardware. It's calibrated to the ANSI B40.1 standard, but they didn't list the grade, which tells you the permissible error across the range. It was the most versatile gauge we tried, with a swivel connection at the chuck and the body of the dial. That made it easy to get one end on the valve stem and the other where it is convenient to read. Like many dial gauges, it holds the reading after you remove it from the tire, with an air pressure relief valve that doubles as a deflator if a prolonged one. It's the most oversized tire gauge on our list, making it much less convenient to jam into a glove box. It does come with a drawstring bag to protect the face from scratches, and a package of stickers and decals, if that's your thing. It's worth noting that while receiving a braided metal hose, Rhino USA switched to a braided fabric-covered one. Number 2. Accutire MS4021B Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The Accutire MS4021B Digital Tire Pressure Gauge has a grippy butyl rubber handle that makes it easy to hold onto in wet or greasy conditions. The gauge reads in PSI only, from 5-150 psi in 0.5 increments, and is said to be accurate within 0.5 psi. Unfortunately, Accutire doesn't list any standard for this claim, but they're well known as a precise gauge. It uses a fixed, 45-degree angled head, which would generally be valid for a fixed head design if it were easier to know if you were getting a reading. It turns on automatically when it detects pressure from the valve stem and is seldom measured on the first try. So when it removes, press it down again and hold it until it displays a pressure reading. Then, the dimly lit display would turn off after 10 seconds, and it's not bright enough to read in direct sunlight. So previous versions have looked different, and some have had an on-off button. It is ergonomically designed with an angled head and a rubber-coated easy grip handle. The heavy-duty construction will easily withstand shifting around in your glove compartment or toolbox. If you forget to turn the gauge off, don't worry, it is equipped with an automatic shut-off system. Number 1. TIRETEK 060 PSI Tire Pressure Gauge. The TIRETEK 060 PSI Tire Pressure Gauge is calibrated to ANSI B40.1 Grade B International Accuracy Standard, so you get a precise, accurate pressure reading every time you use it. It features a steel and brass construction with an extended 5-inch chuck tip, so you get a great seal with no air leakage. Its rubber cover also surrounds this robust and durable precision automotive tool, so it is protected from drops and is easy to grip. This top-rated, professional tire monitoring system is easy to use and is reliable in all weather conditions. It is a perfect accessory for your car, motorcycle, truck, bike, SUV, RV, or ATV. It will not let you down. It comes with a 45-degree angled and fully swiveling chuck. Its built-in relief valve lets you press the bleed button while the gauge is still on the tire, releasing air until you reach the exact target required. It holds pressure, and it's reading until you release a valve. Then, it lets you measure the tire without getting your face close to the valve stem. Its typical rubber drop guard surrounds the 2-inch face, and the rest of the construction is steel and plated brass. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mention. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.